What are my thoughts on brain damage in MMA? First of all, in any combat sports where you get hit in the head, brain damage is inevitable. It's always going to be something you got to look out for, and if you train smart, it's something that you could limit. Now, as many famous fighters and coaches have said, like GSP or Faraz Zahabi, you could limit that, especially in sparring. Remember, you're not getting paid to spar. Sparring is a way to practice for your fights. Don't go all out like it's a fight, especially not to the head.
Let me just say this right off the bat. MMA is incredible. However, I'm not quite sure where I stand on it. The sport clearly builds discipline, commitment, opportunity, and identity. And observing fighters train, you can only imagine the amount of mental and physical discipline a sport like that requires and builds. But here's what's been on my mind lately. As much as I respect and greatly value MMA fighters, I can't deny the risks involved in the sport. And I don't know if most people realize that the head trauma and brain injuries associated with combat sports like MMA don't happen after one fight. It builds over time during repeated training and sparring. And chronic traumatic encephalopathy, otherwise known as CTE, doesn't just happen after one big hit, but likely after small ones. So like I said, I am conflicted. But where do you stand on MMA? Can you love a sport and still question it?